Don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. You will need a sewing machine. Here we've used the 19S sewing machine from Hobbycraft, fat quarters, pins, tape measure, an iron, thread, fabric pen, scissors, elastic, safety pins. You can download this template for free at hobbycraft.co.uk. Step 1. Cut out the bunny ears using the template. Cut out a piece of fabric 45 by 10 centimeters. Fold in half right sides together lengthways and use your machine to sew a straight line down the long raw edge. Leave a gap at one end. Using a safety pin to feed the non-gap end inside the tube, pull it to the other open short end with the gap. Line up the short raw tubes together. Use a needle and thread to do a small, neat running stitch around in a loop roughly 1 centimeter from the raw edge. Pull the whole tube through the gap. You should now have a ring of fabric pulled the right way round. Cut a piece of elastic to 20 centimeters. Use the safety pin to feed the elastic through the open gap. Take care not to lose the other end. Join the elastic ends together with a knot. Sew up the gap using your machine close to the edge. To make the bunny ears, lay right sides together, pin and sew all the way around, roughly 5 millimeters from the edge, leaving a gap in the center. Clip corners, cut notches in all curves, and turn right way around through the gap. Sew gap up neatly by machine. You can now tie the bunny ears in a knot around your scrunchie.